Bro, this park is fucking dead, bro, but I ain't complaining, bro. I got nothing to show off, bro. I'm just breaking this baby girl in. Hold up, bro. The C100 though, V3. Ooh, sheesh, bro.
Life is like a token. See what happens if it's broken. Yeah, now it has no value. I'ma hide my scars with a tattoo.
We going fucking crazy, bro. Like, we outside for real, bro. Hold up. Bro, I gotta fucking break this bike in though, bro. Like, one thing, the chain literally keeps popping off because that shit's literally slippery as fuck. I haven't even popped it yet, but like, riding it so far, that shit feels fucking different, bro. Like, it feels so different from like my single speed SC bike or whatever the fuck. That shit crazy. Look, I got hit by a car, bro. I hit a fucking car's tail light, bro, and I fucking started gushing out that hand, bro. That shit tough. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, I only got it because I actually been wanting a C100 type shit, bro. Like, just to see what it feels like all the things I've heard, all the clips I've seen, like, that bike looked dope, you know. I originally wanted to buy the Aqua. Like, when I finally got enough money, I was like, I'm getting a fucking C100, bro. I wanted to get the Aqua, but that shit was sold out. But then I saw like the new ones drop, the V3 or whatever, so I was like, I guess, bro, you know, I just wanted a C100 just to see what it fucking, you know, just to go crazy, just for something else. But yeah, shit lit as fuck. Bro, I was gonna go to Coney Island to do this video, bro, but like, honestly, it came in the morning, so like, I just spent all my time just like assembling it, just doing little shit to it and shit. It took me a lot of time, bro. So I was like, I'm not going to Coney, bro. It's already late as fuck, bro. And besides, bro, like, I'm still breaking in the bike. I don't even fucking, like, I haven't felt it out like that yet, you know? So I'm probably not even gonna be nasty with it yet. The first time this bitch seen daylight, bro. The first time this bitch seen daylight, though. Ooh, like, I already put stickers on it and shit, bro. Ride bikes more. Hold up. First thing I'm probably gonna do is change that fucking seat, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I might just put my SC seats on that shit. But yeah, y'all think I'm gonna go crazy with it, or I'm gonna be a worm, bro? Hold up. I guess we gonna find out right now, bro. Hold up. Let's go see real quick. Ooh. My friend Skylar let me use his Savage flyer. Look, the globe. My friend Skylar let me use his Savage flyer and shit. And that bike felt fire, bro. Remember, I popped that shit right away, bro. I had that shit, bro. I was like, hold up. After I played with the gears a little bit. But yeah, that shit was cool. Let's see if I can go crazy with a C100 though. Whoa. Hey. Hold up. Nigga, this shit feels different. But like, it's actually pretty cool. Oh. Okay. This shit cool. Ah. Interesting. Oh yeah, I'm definitely changing the seat though. Yo, it feels weird, but like, it just feels different. Oh shit. I don't feel like that confident on it, but like I could do it. It just feels, I don't know, bro. I feel like I just gotta change my seat or something. Maybe change the back tire to a Maxxis. I don't know, it's cool though. Hell yeah. I guess I can see me getting better. Look. Let's go where the cops are at. What's going on here? it's the same way I fucked my hand up, bro. Look, car coming, I had to turn hard right, bro. Tough. I got distance though. Look, you got blocks though. Ooh. Bitch, look. Oh, fuck.
Rubirosa.
Say you love me, shorty, tell me why. 'Cause I'm a dog and I'ma probably be this way until I die. You say you always gonna be by my side. You say you trust me with your heart and I swear I just wonder why. Say I'm done with this, you tell me don't come. Shorty, I ain't tryna hurt you no more. You say you love me, tell me why. 'Cause I'm a dog and I'ma probably be this way until I die.
I be up, I'ma go get 'em. What I'm doing, baby, no tell 'em. You the shit, you can do so better. But I'm a dog, you should've known better. Like why the fuck you love me, huh? I be gone for weeks, why the fuck you trust me, huh? I sneak out while you sleep, why the fuck you cuff me, huh? Like what the fuck you think, you act like a dummy, huh? Hey, you catch me slipping every time I know it hurt. I've been out, I know you smell it on my shirt. I'm a dog, but I want this shit to work. But I'm tryna fuck on every bitch that's tryna flirt.
Say you love me, shorty, tell me why. 'Cause I'm a dog and I'ma probably be this way until I die. You say you always gonna be by my side. You say you trust me with your heart and I swear I just wonder why. Say I'm done with this, you tell me don't come. Shorty, I ain't tryna hurt you no more. You say you love me, tell me why.
That's light.
'Cause I'm a dog and I'ma probably be this way until I die.
Hey, 'cause I'm a dog and I'ma probably be this way until I die. 'Cause I'm a dog and I'ma probably be this way until I die.
Yeah.